Dear students, do you remember the previous topic about the Garos and the Chakmas? Do you remember where do they live? Yes, students, the Chakmas are lives in the Rangamati, Khagrachuri and Bandarban districts, and the Garos are lives in Mymensingh, Tangail, Sherpur districts, and they both are Mongolian, look like Mongolian people. That means they are anthropologically Mongolian people. But today we will discuss about the different types of people. They are not the Mongolian, and do you think about them? Yes, students, they are Shautal. Our today's topic is Shautal, and they are anthropologically they are exploited. And we will know about their today we will know about their social life, their religious life, their cultural life, and their economic life. At first, social life. Do you remember where do the Shautal live? Yes, students, Shautals are lives in the north zone of the Bangladesh. That means they live in Rajshahi, Rangpur, Dinajpur, Bogura, that type of districts, and some provinces of India, in the West Bengal and Bihar, Odisha, that places. And their social life, they are the their society is a patriarchal society. That means father is the main person or the authority of the family, but the main pillar of their society is panchayat. Panchayat means a committee where five persons are included in the panchayat, and that 5% has different names, and they made a committee, and they are the main person of their society, and all of the Shautal peoples are follow their rules, their all of the order. And these 5 leaders of the panchayat are the very important and influential person in their society, and they influenced in their religious life also. And after that, their economic life. Shautals are also their economy also based on the agriculture. Like our other ethnic society, they are not live in the hill tract areas, and they don't cultivate their crops in the zoom method. That means zoom cultivation. They cultivate their crops in plain land, and normally they cultivate paddy, mustard, that type of crops and vegetables, and they earn they fulfill their own demand and earn some money from that product. After that, their religious life. In Shautal's society, they have 2 types of religions. That means 2 religions in their society they have followed. At first, they were a Hindu society, and their majority is Hindu. And some Shautals peoples are follow the Christian religion and follow their all of the Christian system, or the all of the rules and regulations of the Christian society, and their festival also. After that, their cultural life. Shautals are not very not so much educated, and some of the Shautals childrens are now take education, and they have no they have no that type of educated people in their society, but they very their all types of peoples are included in various types of dances, like Jumur dances, that type of dances, and that they are they play many types of games also. In their life, in Shautal family, Shautal society, they have a big role in our in our war with the British ruler. And in 1855, there are two people of Shautal society play a great role against the British rulers, and all of the Shautals people are worship to them. They are Shidhu and Kanu. Shautals are very working. That means they work hard, and nowadays they take education, but not in the meritorious position, or not in the high quality, not get the high quality education till now. That all the characteristics of the Shautal society. You read the book, obviously, and you will made a chart like the Garo society and Chakma society. Make the chart of the Shautal society's cultural life, social life, economic life, and religious life. Now, the Marmas. We know Marmas are also live in the hill track areas, that mean Chittagong, Rangamati, Bandarban, and Khagrachari districts, and they are also Mongolian people. And now the social life of Marma. Marmas are also the patriarchal family. And Marma, they also make a society, make a committee in a society for maintain their rules and regulation. And their chief is called the Bomang King. Bomang King, or Bomang Chief, is the head of the Marma society, and he is the social leader of Marma society. After that, the economic life. Though the Marmas are the patriarchal family, but the opinion of the mother is very important in Marma's family. And the economic life, they also based on agriculture, and their agriculture is based on the zoom cultivation. After that, their religious life. Mainly they are Buddhist. They follow the Buddhist religion, and they are all of their villages has the temple of Buddha, and they called the Kiang. And in the all Marma society, they follow all types of Buddhist festival they followed, and all types of religious customs. In Buddha Purnima, Maghi Purnima, they goes to their temple, and their cultural life. Their houses are made on the bamboo, um, from the earthen, um, 6 to 7 feet on the 6 to 7 feet high. Their houses are made it by the bamboo. And their main festival is Sangrai. They celebrate Sangrai festival in April and May month, and is very popular in their society, and they celebrate with all of the Mormon society. These all are the characteristics of the Marma society. You will read the book like these three types of society. You will make a chart of the Marma society's cultural life, social life, economic life, and cultural life. And this sent to me. Obviously you read the book and follow the lecture sheet, and solve the worksheet. Thank you very much, students.